In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn money using the Clickworker app. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or you simply want to make extra income by completing small online tasks, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your App Store or Google Play Store and search for Clickworker. Once you find the app, download and install it on your phone. After installation, open the app and get ready to create your account. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important steps. Next, sign up by choosing your preferred method. You can register using your email address, or you can sign up with your Google or Apple account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're inside, complete your profile by entering accurate personal details. This step is very important because the more complete and accurate your profile is, the more tasks you'll qualify for. Higher profile accuracy can lead to better paying opportunities. Once registration is complete, you'll arrive at the home screen. You may see a short introduction to the app. Just go through it. After that, add your payment details so you can receive your earnings. It's a good idea to set this up early so there are no delays when you're ready to withdraw your money. Now, head over to the onboarding or qualification section. You'll need to complete some training tasks and qualification tests. These tests evaluate skills like English, proficiency, writing and grammar, and attention to detail. Performing well here, important because it unlocks access to higher paying tasks. Take your time and complete these carefully. After finishing onboarding, you can start accepting jobs. On the home screen, you'll see sections like instant jobs and available jobs. Scroll through the list to explore different types of tasks such as text creation, data categorization, proofreading, surveys, app testing, or even photo capturing. Click on any job to see details like payment amount, estimated completion time, and requirements. If you're satisfied, tap Accept Job and start working. Once you complete tasks successfully, your earnings will appear in your account balance. You can check this by going to your profile section. When you've earned enough, you can withdraw your funds using the payment method you added earlier. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to start earning money on the Clickworker app by completing easy microtasks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.